How to fix Facebook season expired on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone. Then you will go directly to applications or apps. Then you will search for Facebook. As you see here, I'm searching for Facebook. When I found it, I will open it. I will now scroll down to storage, and on storage I will go to down to clear data, click, and I will click OK, and that's it. It will work with me. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.